Let's talk about bad odors. If you find that your home has a lingering smell that you walk into every time you come home, here are a few problem areas that might need some deep cleaning. The first on the list is upholstery. Any fabric upholstery will definitely hold on to smells. So when was the last time you had your upholstery professionally cleaned? Number 2 on the list are kitchen sinks. Go close to your kitchen sink and see if you can pick up on a lingering smell. Odds are that drain needs a thorough deep cleaning. I have videos on how to deep clean all the things I mentioned in this video on my channel. Here's another one to put on your spring cleaning list: walls. When was the last time that you not just dusted the walls, but actually washed your walls top to bottom? Again, when you're cooking, all sorts of different smells can gather around. So when was the last time that you cleaned your walls? If there's a lingering smell in your home, it might be due to that. Now, of course, this one seems a little bit obvious, but the area where your garbage bins are in an organics bin, this area needs to be cleaned a lot because it gets dirty and those nasty smells can really linger in there. So make sure to use a good deodorizer and give it a thorough cleaning. Proper air circulation is crucial to a good smelling home, so make sure to always clean your vents. And lastly, your fridge. If you have any sort of old items in there, expired food, old beverages, anything that causes bad smells will eventually linger into the air.